Your yard is buried in leaves. If you just pile them up, it'll take a year for them to become useful compost. But what if you could turn that entire pile into rich black gold for your garden in as little as 18 days? It's not magic. It's a proven scientific method called hot composting, and it will completely change how you deal with fall leaves. Now before we get started, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most people cold compost. You make a pile, walk away, and let nature work for 6 to 12 months. It's slow and doesn't get hot enough to kill weed seeds or diseases. We're going to hot compost using the Berkeley method. This turbocharged process creates the perfect environment for microbes, generating intense heat, approximately 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat is the secret. It breaks down organic matter incredibly fast and sterilizes the compost, making it clean, safe, and nutrient-rich. To generate heat, you need to balance two things: carbon and nitrogen. Your fall leaves are your carbon, or browns. They're the fuel. But fuel needs a spark. That spark is nitrogen, or your greens. Things like fresh grass clippings, kitchen scraps, or coffee grounds. Greens give the microbes the energy they need to start the heating process. Let's get our ingredients ready. For your browns, you need shredded leaves. This is critical. Whole leaves mat together and take years to break down. Just run them over with a lawnmower. For your greens, fresh grass clippings are fantastic. You can also use fruit and veggie scraps or coffee grounds. You'll also need water for the microbes to live. For your tools, a pitchfork is essential for turning the pile, and a compost thermometer is great for taking the guesswork out of hitting your target temperature. If you're excited to make your own black gold, please like and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future projects. The key is to build the entire pile all at once. For it to heat up properly, it needs to be at least 3 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 3 feet tall. Think of it like making a lasagna. Start with a 4-inch layer of your shredded brown leaves. On top, add a 2-inch layer of your green nitrogen source. After each set of layers, give it a good watering. You want it to feel like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not soaking wet. Keep layering, browns, greens, water, until your pile hits that 3-foot height. Building the pile is just the start. The real secret to 18-day compost is turning it, to pump in oxygen. Here's the schedule. For the first 4 days, do nothing. Let the pile cook. You should see steam, and your thermometer should be hitting 130 to 160 degrees. On day 4, it's time for the first turn. Use your pitchfork to move the entire pile, getting the cooler material from the outside into the hot center. After that, turn the pile every 2 days for the next 14 days. That frequent turning is what guarantees incredible compost so quickly. After about 18 days, your pile will have shrunk, cooled down, and turned into a dark, crumbly, earthy-smelling material. That's your black gold. The secret is simple. Shred your leaves, build a 3x3x3 pile with the right brown to green balance, keep it moist, and turn it every other day. It's a short burst of effort for a fast reward. You've officially turned yard waste into one of the best things you can add to your garden. Thanks for watching and happy composting.